How to block any profile or account on Pinterest that you don't like. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to block any profile or account that you don't like on Pinterest. So let's start. First thing, we go to Pinterest, and now let's just choose any profile. Let's choose this one, or let's just choose this profile right here and click on those three dots and click block, then click on this red button here. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. This is just a quick tip if you don't know how to block account on Pinterest. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment too. See you later.